So today we're dedicating the whole day to putting this backhoe tire on our backhoe. Now we can't afford new tires, so thus we buy ourselves $100 used tire. Now this tire is still in great shape and it'll last us for many years to come. It's actually pretty heavy, guys. And so this is our backhoe tire. We're gonna try to remove it today. Now we have a ton of problems with it. It's obviously flat. I've obviously destroyed it right here. I don't know, I hit something. I hit a lot of things with this backhoe. Now, everybody likes when somebody else suffers. It's not fun to the person that is suffering. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can start this tractor up. Oh my. Oh, it's better there. Okay, so I'm gonna take this chain, hook it to the backhoe bucket and see if I can pull it off. Okay, that didn't work. Let me do it back. Okay, I'll try it again. I got the chain out. Okay guys, the chain is out and I got it looped. Let's see if we can pull that tire off. Lord have mercy. I can't believe this, it come off on one side. Let me see if I can replicate that again. guys! Oh, shit. I don't think that's good. Oh, man. Hey, this thing had a tube in it. Wonder if I can fix it. I don't know if I can fix that. Guys, I kind of ruined my rim.